Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade on BitUnix, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. To get started, you need to create an account on the BitUnix website by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once your account is verified, you can log in and start exploring the platform. The first step is to deposit funds into your BitUnix account. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and selecting your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and complete the deposit process. After depositing funds, you can start trading on the platform. The trading interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can browse through the available markets, including cryptocurrency pairs, and select the one you want to trade. Use the order book to view current buy and sell orders, and set your desired price and quantity. There are different types of orders you can place on BitUnix, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price, while a limit order enables you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. A stop-loss order helps you limit your losses by automatically selling a cryptocurrency when it reaches a certain price. To place an order, simply click on the buy or sell button and enter the required information. You can also set a take-profit order to automatically close your position when it reaches a certain profit level. Make sure to monitor your trades regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Best practices for trading on BitUnix include setting clear goals, managing your risk, and staying up to date with market trends. It is also essential to use two-factor authentication to secure your account and protect your funds. Additionally, consider using a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses and avoid significant financial damage. In conclusion, trading on BitUnix is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and skills. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start trading on the platform and potentially earn profits. Remember to stay informed, manage your risk, and always prioritize security to achieve success in the cryptocurrency market.